you. Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this family. Turn on the bell notification and of course share out this video. Today's video is a highly requested one, and as you must have already been able to tell from the title and the thumbnail of this video, we are going to be talking about how to get pink lips naturally, okay? Now, I know that there are people who are naturally born with pink lips, okay? And it is also something that is doable. In order for you to get pink lips or to make your lips pink in color, there are two major things that you need to always pay attention to, and that is exfoliating your lips and moisturizing your lips. Now, I'm going to be going into details as to the things to use, how to go about doing them so that you can achieve your results within 7 days, okay? Remember, I always say that anytime you want to do anything to your skin, do not look out for things that, give you magical solutions within 1 day. There is a tendency that they will be doing more harm to your skin than good in the long run as you keep up with them. So now, first of all, let us talk about exfoliating. Yes, it is very important to exfoliate your lips. Whether you're trying to get your lips pink or you're just trying to have healthy, supple lips and you want to pay attention to exfoliating. Have you seen people who during Harmattan season or dry season in Nigeria, their lips become very dry and begins to break? Even if it is not breaking, it just becomes dry and dull. It is because there are dead skin cells on your lips. And just as you exfoliate your body to have smoother, clearer skin, you need to exfoliate your lips. And there are only two major things that you need to be able to exfoliate your lips the way you ought to. And the first thing is a toothbrush. If possible, the softest toothbrush that you can find in the market. You can literally buy a separate toothbrush just for exfoliating your lips. So get your soft toothbrush and any of these DIY mats that I am going to be sharing with you. The very first DIY mat here in front of me is the coconut, lemon and sugar mat. Yes, get these three in a teaspoonful, which sometimes is probably too much because it's just your lips, okay? Mix this together, wet your lips, and then put it on your brush. Just as you put toothpaste on your brush to brush your teeth, put the marks on the soft brush that you have gotten and then gently use it to scrub your lips. Do not rub it harshly, please, because it is your lips and it is actually a sensitive part of your skin that could get damaged or really irritated if you put a lot of friction on it. You can actually also use your hands, but toothbrush makes it 2 to 3 times more effective as against when you use your hands. So either ways, use your hand or use your soft toothbrush for at least 2 minutes and then rinse off. There is also the honey and sugar mask to help you get a pink lips. Mix them together. Use your brush or your hands to massage it properly around your lips for a minute or 2 minutes. Remember that you're using gentle strokes to massage or to brush your lips so that you do not cause damage to your skin. Now, how does this even make your lips pink? Just like massaging on any other part of your body, massaging your lips will help to increase the circulation of blood to your lips, thereby making your lips softer, supple, and pinkish in color. Another DIY mask that you can look at is the lemon and honey mask, okay? Instead of honey and sugar, you can do the lemon and honey mask where you mix them together. Use your brush or your hand to massage lightly and then leave it on for 15 minutes on your lips before you rinse it off. Now, there is also the aloe vera mask. Aloe vera helps to soothe and to relieve your skin from inflammation. It helps to heal your skin from dryness. It gives your skin hydration. So using aloe vera to brush your lips is also going to help restore your lips to its natural pinkish state or pinkish color. And of course, there is the toothpaste and sugar mask, okay? For this, you need the white toothpaste, okay? If you have Colgate, perfect. If you have any other toothpaste, but let it be white, not red, not blue, not pink. The toothpaste has to be white in color. Mix it with a teaspoonful of sugar, apply it on your lips, brush for a few minutes, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can rinse off with clean water. Now, once you're done with all of this, the next most important step is for you to moisturize your lips, okay? Now that blood is circulating into your lips properly like other parts of your body and is becoming more hydrated and supple, you need to lock in that moisture. How do you lock in moisture on your lips, or how do you moisturize your lips? You need Vaseline, you need a lip balm, you need a lip gloss. Now, these things can be alternated for the other, like you can decide to buy Vaseline and do away with the other ones. You can decide to buy lip gloss and do away with the other ones, but you can still get all of them and still use them to achieve your purpose. Vaseline most of the times will help sealing moisture on your lips and works faster and better when you use it at night after taking your bath or washing your face and you need to go to bed. Always carry a generous amount of Vaseline and apply on your lips, even without exfoliating your lips. applying Vaseline every day before going to bed is going to do a lot of total good to your lips. It is going to make your lips healthier and smoother. Now, if you use any of the exfoliating DIYs I already shared with you, when you're done with that, you want to go in with a lip balm, and then during the day when you're stepping out, you can actually go in with your lip gloss. Now, the purpose of a lip gloss is that it is always produced with this sort of thick consistency that helps to protect your lips from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and it is safer to reapply, okay, in the course of the day, and more classy or more cheekly if you're a guy, more decent, as against when you bring out Vaseline from your bag or from your pockets to apply on your lips. It will always feel, of course, more decent to bring out your lip gloss or your lip balm and reapply on your lips. So I would advise, if you're watching this video, it means you want to hear what I have to say about this. I would advise that you use your Vaseline at night before you go to bed. When you're at home during the day, you can make use of your lip balm. If you are stepping out, whether you are using lipstick, you're a guy, you don't use lipstick, make sure that you splatter some lip gloss on your lips, and you are on your way to having pink lips within 7 days. And that brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions, other tips that you would like us to help share with you? You have any other skincare concerns that you've been struggling with and you need answers to? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay set, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.